Something big is taking shape in Indonesia, and it's headed for the Philippine Navy. During the 45th anniversary celebration of PAL Indonesia, sharp-eyed observers caught a glimpse of what could be one of the most important naval assets for the Philippines in the coming years. This is not just any ship. It's a landing platform dock, or LPD, a powerful multi-role vessel designed to transport troops, tanks, helicopters, and even landing craft. And it's well on its way to reinforcing the Philippine Navy. At the recent 45th anniversary of PAL in Surabaya, Indonesia, a video shown during the celebration gave the world a rare behind-the-scenes look at the shipyard's current projects. Among the vessels shown, one caught the attention of many Filipino defense watchers, an LPD under construction. This sighting confirms something long anticipated. The Philippine Navy's third amphibious transport dock is well underway. An LPD is a versatile naval vessel that serves as a floating base for amphibious operations. It can carry hundreds of troops, several armored vehicles, landing craft, and helicopters, all while coordinating operations from a sophisticated command center on board. This kind of ship is vital for disaster response, marine operations, troop deployments, and even power projection. And for an archipelagic nation like the Philippines, with over 7,000 islands, the role of an LPD is absolutely critical. This new LPD is part of the Philippine Navy's ongoing modernization program. It's expected to be the third major LPD following the BRP Tarlac, LD-601, and BRP Davao del Sur, LD-602, both also built by PAL and delivered between 2016 and 2017. But the new ship isn't just a copy of the older ones. This third LPD is expected to feature several design improvements, including better communication systems, updated electronics, and an optimized layout for military and humanitarian missions. This signals the Navy's intent to enhance its sea lift capabilities and rapidly respond to national emergencies or regional crises. According to defense insiders, construction is progressing on schedule. If all goes well, we might see sea trials as early as late 2025, with delivery to the Philippine Navy by 2026. This ship will likely serve under the Philippine Fleet's Sea Lift Amphibious Force, which has been central in national disaster response operations. It will complement other upcoming acquisitions, like the offshore patrol vessels and the Navy's future submarines, creating a more balanced, modern, and capable maritime force. PAL Indonesia has once again been trusted by the Philippine Navy in its warship fleet modernization program. Amid the construction of the third and fourth landing dock-type ships owned by the Philippine Navy, PAL is now preparing to carry out maintenance and repair docking of the strategic sea lift vessel, SSV BRP Tarlac 601. The mighty Tarlac-class Landing Platform Dock of the Philippine Navy has returned to its roots, PAL Indonesia. But this time, it's not for a launch, but for a vital mission. A full-scale maintenance and repair operation is recognized regionally and globally. This move also highlights a growing strategic partnership between the Philippines and Indonesia, not only in defense procurement, but also in mutual support for maritime development. Maintenance for an LPD isn't just a fresh coat of paint. It's a full checkup, similar to how a plane undergoes routine checks after several thousand hours of flight. Here's what's likely happening at PAL. Hull cleaning and repainting to prevent corrosion, engine and propulsion system inspection, replacement of worn mechanical components, servicing of radar, sonar, and navigation systems, upgrades to communication gear, and interior repairs and habitability improvements. After this, the ship will be as good as new, ready for another decade of hard service. This maintenance operation is more than just a technical checkup. It's a clear indicator of how serious the Philippine Navy is about preserving the operational readiness of its fleet. So there you have it, a Philippine Navy LPD, returning to its birthplace for a fresh breath of life. This story is a quiet reminder of how naval power isn't just about warships and weapons. It's also about partnerships, professionalism, and preparation. What do you think about the Navy sending its ships abroad for maintenance? Is this a smart move? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this update on Philippine military modernization, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another video. Until next time.